digital citizenship and internet maturity. Now, let's talk about cyber safety. Digital security is implemented to protect your network and security from the malicious digital cyber attacks. Cyber safety can be implemented in organizations and in individual systems and networks. One of the prime reasons for implementing cyber safety is the protection of confidential data. Now, what do you guys understand by this? All you have to do, all you have to take care of is to protect your data online. You should not click on any malicious email that you get, or you should not click on any website that you see online. And of course, stay away from strangers online. Cyber ethics is a branch of computer technology behavior that defines the best practice that must be adopted by a user when he uses the computer system. Some of the breaches of cyber ethics are listed below. Cyberbullying. Next we have cyber laws. Now there are some laws that we need to take care of